Hi beauty, so for today's video I'm going to be reviewing and trying out for you the Elf Poreless Putty Primer. And you know everybody's saying how this is a dupe for the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, which I just reviewed for you and it's already up on my channel. You can watch that one if you want after this video. I'm gonna try this and see if it really compares to the Tatcha primer at all. So this Elf primer is $8. It's not tested on animals, and it says after you open it, it'll be good for like 6 months. I asked you guys if you wanted me to review more Elf, and you guys said yes. So before we get started, welcome if you're new. My name is Jen, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Alright, so let's go ahead and just take this out of the packaging. Okay, I just had to rip the package like a savage. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Elf Poreless Putty Primer. Back, nothing, simple. So if we open it up, this is what it looks like. So it's like a balm. And let's smell it. There's no scent. The Tatcha one definitely has a scent. Go ahead and touch it. Oh, that was weird. That's what it looks like. I feel like it feels very different than the Tatcha one. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. So it says to apply a thin, even amount to moisturize skin prior to makeup application. Allowed to set 30 seconds before applying foundation. I haven't moisturized. I was just gonna apply it like that. So I guess I'll moisturize half of my face and I'll use the Clinique Dramatically Moisturizing Gel. Alright, so that's half of my face. I am gonna put this half here with no moisturizer just to see the difference. So let me apply it. By the way, I just got these lash extensions for the first time. I never used I never had lash extensions applied before, and I just filmed that. So if you want to watch it, filmed the whole process. So yeah, I do think it's better to do like a thin layer. Once we rub it in, I'm trying like not to get anything in these lashes. I just hope this doesn't break me out because I'm acne prone. Just let it dry a little. It feels very smooth. Let me just look at my pores to see if it did any difference since it says it's poreless. Maybe just a little. Oh, I didn't apply to half of my nose. I do think a little goes a long way, and it does melt right away into your skin. And of course, after I apply this, I will go off camera, do all my makeup, and show you what it looks like, and I'll tell you how my foundation applied over it and everything. It's applied to this side now, so I just did one swipe. This is a dupe for the Tatcha one. That would be awesome because Tatcha one is pretty pricey, like in the 50s. But they do have a mini, which is the one I reviewed. If you want to try that Tatcha one, they have a mini size, and I'm sure it's gonna get sold out. Try to get it in the mini, and it's $20. Look again. I do my nose, I don't remember. My other half. Complete nose now. I don't feel like there's any greasy residue. I'm looking at my pores really closely, and I do think they look a little better, a little poreless. My pores are really big, so let me go ahead and apply my foundation. I don't feel like it feels greasy. I don't look greasy. And before I forget, you get 0.74 ounces in this primer. Okay, so after applying a full face of makeup, I must say that this primer worked beautifully. My foundation went so smoothly. I had no problem applying it, and the pores do look very nice right now. Definitely like moisturize the skin before you put this. I use a gel moisturizer because I'm acne prone and oily, and it looks really good. I don't know if it's like better than the Tatcha. I find them to be a little different. I will be trying this out at least for a week straight before I leave in the comments like my final thoughts, but as of first impressions, this worked beautiful. It looks really nice. but I don't know like if it helps with like keeping you matte longer. I do have to see if just for any reason, you never know, what if it breaks me out. I don't feel like my makeup went patchy because I used this primer, and it says it's poreless. I wouldn't say poreless, but the pores do look nicer. If you don't like something that has fragrance, this doesn't smell like a thing. I tried several times, I don't know why, but yeah, it doesn't smell like anything. I do like the Tatcha one a lot. I've been using it like non-stop since I got it and reviewed it for you guys. Did mattify the skin once I put it, so that felt really good. You get a really nice amount here for $8. So this is what it looks like. You don't have to use a lot, definitely, I agree with that. I feel like the Tatcha one, I do have to apply more with these bombs, like little, how do you call it, like not dust, but like little like fuzzies get stuck there from like the air. If you guys enjoyed this review, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not, click the little notification bell, that way you will be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. And I will leave the Tatcha review at the end of this video if you guys want to go see that. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!